Hello students, today we are going to learn about the program to find the frequency of characters in a string. First of all, we have the program code with us. So I will walk you through the program code once and then we will discuss the breakdown in detail. So let us begin. We'll start with the header statement hash include stdio.h. Then we have the main function int main. Now we will declare a string, character string of size 1000 and a variable ch. We have another integer variable, integer count and initialized as 0. So we have the printf statement that enter a string and we will take the input of the string using the fget statement. Fgets str, comma, size of str and stdin. So we have another printf statement that enter a character to find its frequency. So the scanf statement will take the input for the character ch. And now we have used a for loop. So it states for I equals to 0, stri not equals to null character and plus plus I. And inside the body we have a condition that if ch equals to str of I, then we will increment the count as plus plus count. Moving on, now after that we have founded the count, we will print that frequency of that count equals to ch, and in the end we will return 0. So the output will be, so we have this statement enter a string. So this string could be that this website is awesome, and now we will enter a character to find its frequency, that is e. So frequency of e in this string is 4. So this is the output. Now since we have seen the code, let us discuss the code breakdown. So in this program, the string entered by the user is stored in str. So we have a printf, enter a string, and the fgets function with parameters str, size of str, and stdin. So then the user is asked to enter the character whose frequency is to be found, and this is stored in variable ch. So printf enter a character to find its frequency, and scanf will take the input for ch. Now this program is case sensitive, that is, it treats uppercase and lowercase versions of the same alphabet as different characters. So please take care. Now then, a for loop is used to iterate over characters of the string, and in each iteration, if the character in the string is equal to the ch, the count is increased by 1. So we have this for loop that says int I equals to 0 and str should not be equal to null character, then plus plus I. And if this ch equals to stri, then we will increment the count variable. Finally, the frequency stored in the count variable is printed using the printf statement. Thank you, students.